Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how to add two numbers. So as you can see here, in example 1 I have assigned 5 to a variable and I have assigned 3 value to b. So if we add these two numbers, I will get the result is 8. And if we add in the second example, I can see that I have taken 200 assigning into a and 300 value assigning into b. If we add these two value, of course this value will be 500. And now let's jump to VS Code editor so we can do program there. Yeah, and let me create one file with add. I am not doing in JavaScript, so JavaScript extension is JS. So I will write JS and hit enter. I am ready to go. I am adding two variable, means two numbers. So I need two variable and one another variable to store the result. So let's create a variable to store my value. Let a equals to 5, b equals to 3, and I will store this value into another variable. Let's say result equal to a plus b. Okay, and I have to print this value result into console dot log. The result value has been stored into result variable, so I will just print the result. Okay, if you want to give some message like sum of two number, so let me give that the sum of two number each. And now see, let's save it and run. Yeah, I can, as you can see that output has come, the sum of two number is 8. Okay, so in this way we can do the program of addition. So thank you guys, this is all about this video. See you in the next one.